In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Amazon Prime 30-day free trial. It's a straightforward process, but following these steps carefully will ensure you don't miss a thing. Let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your Amazon account. Once you're signed in, navigate to the tab labeled Your Account. It's typically located in the top right corner of the Amazon homepage, and from there, you'll want to find the section called Prime Membership. This is where you'll manage every aspect of your Amazon Prime subscription, including the process to cancel your free trial. Once you're on the Prime membership page, look for the option titled Manage Membership. This section is the control center for your subscription options, payments, and preferences. Here, you should see a link that says Update, Cancel, and More. Click on this link and you'll be on your way to ending your membership. Now we're at the critical step, ending that membership. You'll notice there's a button labeled End Membership. Go ahead and click on it. It's normal for folks to feel a bit anxious here, but rest assured, following this step simply initiates the cancellation process. You won't be cut off immediately. You'll likely be prompted by Amazon with a few on-screen instructions to confirm your decision to cancel. It's at this point that you'll be asked to confirm your cancellation choice. You may see options encouraging you to keep your membership or offering other incentives to stay. However, if you're sure about canceling, look for an option labeled Continue to Cancel or something similar. Clicking this will take you to the final steps to confirm your decision. Even after confirming the cancellation, you don't immediately lose your Prime benefits. That's the beauty of the 30-day free trial. You're still entitled to enjoy all the perks that come with your membership until the trial period ends. This includes benefits like free shipping, access to Prime Video, and more. So, feel free to continue using these services until your trial period officially concludes. Remember, no charges will be applied to your account for Prime membership once you've completed these steps, as long as you've canceled within the trial period. This process gives you the flexibility to explore Amazon Prime without committing financially and lets you decide if it's right for you before moving forward. And there you have it, a hassle-free way to cancel your Amazon Prime free trial while continuing to make the most of your benefits. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.